Hi, welcome back. Thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. It's much appreciated. We are going to be shooting 4 different types of calibre: .177, .20, .22 and .25. We are going to see the effect these guns have on different types of target. No living targets will be shot. I hope you enjoy. These are all legal limit air guns in the UK. This is a SMK XS20. It is a .177 barrel fitted. It is a Chinese gun. This is a cup or a mug. Today we're going to shoot with a .177 air rifle. Let's see what damage it does. Yes, it does quite a bit of damage. It has absolutely destroyed the cup. Pallet hit there. Let's exit it out the back. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please consider subscribing.